Hey there, plant lovers! Welcome to another exciting episode where we explore the wonderful world of indoor plants. Ever wondered how to bring a touch of green indoors without the mess of soil? Well, you're in luck. Indoor water plants are your answer. These plants grow beautifully in water, making them a clean and stylish addition to any home. Today, let's dive into the basics of indoor water plant care in just 3 minutes. Trust me, it's easier than you think. First up, which water plants are suitable for indoors? The good news is there are plenty. From the resilient to the decorative, there's a water plant for every taste and skill level. Here are my top picks for indoor water plants that are both beautiful and easy to care for. Lucky bamboo. This beauty is not only low maintenance but also brings good fortune. It's a great way to start your indoor water plant journey. Pothos, known as the devil's ivy, it's almost impossible to kill. Perfect for beginners and those with a busy lifestyle. Philodendron, with heart-shaped leaves, it's a real charmer and thrives in water. Its lush green leaves can brighten up any room. Spider plant, fast-growing and fun. Its baby spiders are adorable. They can be easily propagated to create new plants. Chinese Evergreen, not just pretty but also purifies the air. It's a fantastic choice for improving indoor air quality. Now, how do you take care of these green friends? Simple steps. Let's break it down. Use glass jars, vases, or any clear container. This not only looks elegant but also helps you keep an eye on the water level and plant health. Keeping an eye on the water level is crucial. Make sure the roots are always submerged but not the entire plant. Always use filtered or distilled water. Tap water often contains chlorine and fluoride, which can harm your plants. You can see the difference in plant health when using filtered water. It's a small step that makes a big impact. Replace the water every 2 weeks. Fresh water prevents the buildup of algae and bacteria. If it looks cloudy or smells funny, change it sooner. Your plants will thank you for the clean environment. Place your plants where they get bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can be too harsh and may damage the leaves. Finding the right spot in your home is key. A windowsill with filtered light is often perfect. Feed your plants with a small amount of liquid fertilizer every month. This gives them the necessary nutrients to thrive. You'll notice a boost in growth and vitality with regular feeding. Just a few drops go a long way. Keep an eye on root growth. Trim them back if they get too long to prevent overcrowding and ensure healthy growth. Regular maintenance keeps your plants looking their best and promotes better water circulation. Though rare, sometimes pests like aphids can appear. Use a mild soapy water solution to clean them off. Gently wipe the leaves and stems to remove any pests. This keeps your plants healthy and pest-free. And there you have it. Simple, right? Indoor water plants are not just easy to care for, but they also add a refreshing vibe to your home. They can transform any space into a serene, green oasis. Plus, they're a great conversation starter. Whether you're hosting guests or just enjoying a quiet evening, these plants add a touch of nature that everyone will appreciate. So, go ahead and give indoor water plants a try. It's a fun and rewarding hobby that anyone can enjoy. Your green thumb adventure is just a jar away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more plant care tips. Until next time, happy planting. Keep nurturing your green friends and enjoy the beauty they bring to your home. See you in the next video, and remember, happy planting!